Hi guys, in this video we will be understanding the health impacts of global environmental change through the example of the changing distribution of vector-borne diseases and changes in nutritional standards, as well as answering an exam-style question.
The first thing we're going to look at is the emergence and changing distribution of vector-borne diseases, which are diseases which aren't infectious in some senses, but are transmitted by vectors such as animals, such as mosquitoes and so on. So an example would be malaria. And important determinants of vector-borne diseases and their transmission include things like vector survival rate and reproduction. So that's essentially how long the vector lives and its success at reproducing and obviously reproducing the population. Also the vector's biting rate. So if a vector such as a mosquito bites a lot of people, the transmission rate is going to be higher, but if they don't bite a lot, then the transmission rate will be lower and less people will be affected. And also the pathogens incubation rate within the vector organism. So in general, a parasite such as the Plasmodium parasite, which infects mosquitoes, which then transfer malaria into humans when they bite humans, it has a specific incubation rate where the parasite develops itself. But if the mosquito's lifespan is shorter than the incubation rate of the pathogen, then obviously the pathogen's not going to survive and the disease won't be spread around to humans. However, if it has a fast incubation rate, this means that this will increase the rate of vector-borne transmission. Also, we have to consider the optimal climate conditions for vector-borne diseases as well, and this is because pathogens and hosts each survive and reproduce within a range of optimal climatic conditions. These are linked to temperature, precipitation, altitude, and also daylight duration. So for most vector-borne diseases, temperature and precipitation are the most important in relation to transmission of diseases, often because the parasite or pathogen can only survive at certain temperatures. So in most cases, pathogens don't survive very well at cold temperatures or extremely hot temperatures. So that's why temperature is important. Also, they need often a source of water to survive, especially in relation to malaria. The mosquitoes require pools of stagnant water to breed. That's their breeding ground, so precipitation is essentially very important as well.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.